County, St. Clair, Alabama. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA
Wow, look who's finally activated for the right alert.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 223 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties: St. Clair, Alabama. Severe thunderstorm watch number 223.